Hey, what's up? Welcome to the AI News. This is a new series I'm starting to help anyone who watches this, as well as myself, stay up to date on what's going on in the world of AI and machine learning. This first edition covers a couple interesting stories that I found from the month of August 2022. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Researchers at New York University are using neural networks to better understand the behavior of entangled particles in quantum systems. Their new neural network does two things. It introduces electrons into and controls electrons in a simulation. This functionality allows for the study of quantumly entangled particles in a way that is much more computationally efficient than traditional simulations. Facebook's new chatbot, also known as BlenderBot, doesn't really seem to be a huge fan of the old Zuckerberg. On numerous occasions, the bot has talked about its disdain for Zuckerberg's unethical business practices, and interestingly enough, the bot also claims that Mark Zuckerberg is not a stylish individual. It trashed his wardrobe choices, along with making various comments on Mark's interesting media personality. BlenderBot also made some political statements and claimed that Donald Trump was still president and that he would be even after his second term ends in 2024. Adding to the bot's already impressive resume, it has also been caught making racist and homophobic slurs, which is pretty expectable, honestly, given the sordid history of models trained on social media data. BlenderBot's creators say that they expected this behavior out of the bot, which, yeah, no, that checks out. They definitely should have. Earlier in August, Amazon announced its plans to buy the robotics firm iRobot in an all-cash deal for $1.7 billion. Amazon has stated that its goal is to use the iRobot Roomba vacuum to improve the capabilities of its other ambient intelligence products, such as the Alexa that we all know and love. These goals have raised ethical questions, as their completion would involve a massive uptick in the amount of user data that Amazon both collects and stores. However, Amazon has said in rebuttal that it has a lot to lose if it breaches customer trust and that it has some of the best data security in the industry. A rather interesting new use case has popped up for DALL-E 2 as companies like Stitch Fix experiment with its use in both style and design. Stitch Fix's experimentation has been revolving around leveraging the model to help stylists find clothing that is similar to what the customer described. Designers have also indicated that they believe DALL-E 2 to be a valuable tool for helping to kickstart the creative process and give them new ideas. DALL-E's design talents have actually already been leveraged by other companies such as Heinz in creating advertising material for a ketchup campaign. After its acquisition of Boston Dynamics, Hyundai has been hard at work dreaming up use cases for the bleeding-edge robotics firm. At CES 2022, the company showed off a simulation of the Spot robot on Mars, while also communicating their desire to use the technology in future space exploration. Hyundai has also announced the Boston Dynamics Institute, which they are hoping will help to further the knowledge of AI and robotics technology. The Institute's stated mission is to create more advanced robotics and intelligent machines. That wraps it up for August 2022's AI News. Definitely keep an eye out for the next video, should be coming middle of September. And bear with me here, I'm a data scientist by trade, so I'm still definitely learning the ropes of audio and video production. But yeah, thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.